I, King of Ternio Sena Novem, want to divide the reality from the delusion, General. Bring the accused into the light.
Doctor, let's start with the basics. You said earlier that science and evidence should control. So let's test that. Can men get pregnant?
What is your goal, General? I take care of women, but I also take care of people with different identities who can get pregnant.
The goal is the truth. Science tells us that biological men cannot get pregnant. So I will ask again. Can men get pregnant? Yes or no?
I can't answer that. I'm not really sure what the goal of the question is.
Again, the goal is just to establish reality. You just said a moment ago that science and evidence should control, not politics. So can men get pregnant?
I take care of people with many identities.
Answer the question. Can men get pregnant?
There are many women that can get pregnant. I do take care of people that don't identify as women that can...
Can men get pregnant? Again, as I'm saying, let me just remind you what you testified to a moment ago. Science and evidence should control. So, can men get pregnant? You're a doctor.
Yes, I am a doctor.
Science and evidence tell us that men can get pregnant. Biological men, can they get pregnant?
I also think yes or no questions like this are a political tool, and I guess no questions are about the truth.
Silence! This is not politics. Do not dare use that word to hide from the question. We want to know the truth. Reality is not a debate.
I am not playing politics. I am trying to save lives. If I say what you want me to say, I am denying that my patients exist. That is violence. I won't do it.
You confuse safety with silence. We are not here to comfort the world. We are here to define it. General, proceed.
I am trying to test your honesty as a scientist. It isn't hard, Doctor. Does biology matter?
I want to recognize that your line of questioning is transphobic. It opens up trans people to violence by not recognizing them.
Wow! You are saying that I am opening up people to violence by asking whether or not women are the folks who can have pregnancies.
You are denying that they exist. Do you believe that men can get pregnant?
No, I don't think so. I know that women get pregnant, and that is a biological reality.
It really is not that simple. I think you are trying to reduce the complexity of the human experience into a soundbite.
I am not. It is not complex. I am trying to test your veracity as a medical professional. Can men get pregnant?
I think you are conflating biological male with gender identity.
No, I am not conflating. Male and female are two different things. There are biological men and there are biological women. This isn't hard, Doctor. Can men get pregnant? Yes or no?
I would be happy to have a conversation with you, but not if you are coming from a place of polarization and pushing an agenda.
I am not trying to be polarizing. I think it is extraordinary that we are here hearing about science, yet you cannot admit a basic fact. For the record, women get pregnant, not men.
By saying that, you are erasing people. You are ignoring the safety of those who don't fit your definitions.
No, we are here for the safety of women. Your refusal to recognize women as women is deeply corrosive to science and to public trust.
I represent the science of inclusion.
If you cannot acknowledge the basic reality that biological men do not get pregnant, then I don't know how we can take you seriously as a person of science. I can't believe we are still here talking about this.
I am a person of science. I am here to represent the complex experiences of my patients. Your polarized questions do not serve that goal, and they do not serve the people.
It is not polarizing to say that there is a scientific difference between men and women. That is not politics, that is truth.
It is a narrow view that causes harm.
It is the only view that anchors us. To say that women are a biological reality and should be protected as such, that is not polarizing. That is the foundation of our protection.
You are erasing the protection for everyone else.
No, it is your refusal to recognize women as women and men as men. That is the danger. It is deeply corrosive. It is corrosive to science. It is corrosive to public trust.
I am building trust. I am advancing the future.
You are advancing a political agenda that has been thoroughly discredited. It is extraordinary that you would sit here and deny reality in this forum.
I am not denying reality.
You are, and I am glad we had this exchange, because it is exceptionally clarifying.
No, it is not.
It is clarifying, but it is also in many ways quite depressing. I rest my case, my king.
The general has spoken. You claim to be a guardian of science, yet you use your title to blind the people, not to guide them.
I am guiding them. I am guiding them to a world where they are accepted.
You are guiding them to a cliff. A healer who cannot name the body cannot cure the wound.
No, I am not, my king.
By the authority of this council, your credibility is hereby stripped. You are no longer a voice of science.
No, please. My title is everything. It is my life's work. You cannot take that away from me.
I did not take it. You threw it away the moment you placed your feelings above the truth.
No, please, my king, I am begging you.
A doctor deals in reality. A jester deals in fantasy. You have made your choice.
Please, I beg you. I will do anything. Don't silence me.
General, let the 8th law be written in iron, so that no jester may ever confuse the people again.
It is written, Law 8, the law of reality.
State the definition.
The law states, what is cannot be changed by what you wish. A thing is what it is, independent of your opinion, your politics, or your pain. Reality is not a negotiation.
If it is not genuine, it's fake.
But my king, the problem remains. The people are weak. They flock to the jesters because the jesters offer them soft lies. They fear the sharp edge of the truth.
Then we have failed them. We allowed them to believe that the world would bend to their whims.
How do we save a society that is addicted to comfort?
We do not lower the mountain to suit the climber. We must strengthen the climber to face the mountain.
That is awesome, my king!
The solution is not to hide the reality, but to harden the people to endure it.
I thought I was protecting them. I thought if I softened the words, the world wouldn't hurt them so much. But I see it now. I only made them weaker. I was wrong.
To admit the fault is the first step back to the light.
Is there no mercy?
There is always mercy for those who kneel to the truth. You may keep your voice, Jester.
Thank you, my king.
But only if you use it to speak what is, not what you want. Go now, and sin no more against reality.
The council is adjourned.